In Onehunga's Jellicoe Park, there's a collection of buildings which are a museum to the 1850s Fencible settler life in Auckland. Come with us today as we have a small explore of this area. Hey, it is Paul here from Study Boy NZ. We're here in Onehunga today at Jellicoe Park. This is the brick house, and there's a few other buildings and cottages here. Hoping to have a look around today. Let's see if we can get some video done. Nice view of Mangere Mountain over there and the Manukau Harbour. And we're right next to it, the blockhouse. So we've got the Lashley house there, and old Fencible cottage there, and the brick house there. This is a back room of the Lashley house. Got some morning tea set up. So we got Queen Elizabeth and Queen Victoria. That little guy there is a bit spooky. So we'll set up old fashioned. Some of this is like 1950s, I presume, but also into the 1800s. So this was built in 1859, this house. Sir James Park. There's Mayor of Onehunga, manager of the Onehunga Bun Mills in 1850. '55. '85. It's a cool old painting. This is a room across the hall. That's an interesting mat. It's quite a cool mat. The old singer sewing machine. My grandmother had one. The old organ there. The office. Trying to get some. I did a video on the office. It's from the Onehunga Zoo, which no longer exists. So let's take a wander upstairs. cellar up here. So this is more of those rugs on the floor. Lots of old trophies. I can't quite, that's at 1960. Kind of old-fashioned locks. I'll just step on that one now. And an old-fashioned camera lens there. This is like a regular museum up here as well. If you're in Onehunga on the first or second Sunday of the month from 1:30 to 4, it's yeah, come and check this out. Low cellar again. Got a nurse there. The history of this place is really cool, and it's nice how they got other history bits there. Wow. Is that a Bible there? Holy Bible. Please do not handle the exhibits. I wasn't going to. But this up here, that uniform is really quite cool. Was it St. John's? Oh, it is, yeah. St. John's, I'm not sure of there. Old medals there. This is a replica one, and this is Journey's End. The Fencibles, 1947 to 1900. Nice little kitchen place. And yeah, bedroom, yeah. All right. Oh, this was Yates. I think she was elected mayor of Onehunga, 1893. First mayor in the British Empire. Right. Oh. So this will be in the attic. tools. All post up aside. Jim Hill's tool here. Painting the edges. Oh, that's quite cool. So we've got the cottages there, and the brick house here, which you can't get into. It's quite an interesting little fountain there too. Uncle Daniel. Oh. Loving memory of Uncle Daniel. Here's the brick house. It was built in 1859 because just before the land wars. So this was actually bulletproof door. Well, meant to be bulletproof. So thanks for watching. And I'll catch you next video. Yeah, I'll just add a bit on here at the end. So once again, it is thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen and you've made it this way far through. Share this video out if you can. Yeah, it's been actually, I love history, so those kind of places are really cool. Unfortunately, like I said, we couldn't get into the blockhouse. I know there are YouTubers who've been in there. There was the one they call Tag and also Kiss the Floor. I know they've been there really recently, so go check out their channels and look at the videos of them going on there. They do a bit another paranormal investigation too on the end of it as well, so go check them out. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next video.